Number 4. Welcome to the ASICS Dynablast running shoes video. Are you a runner looking for the perfect pair of shoes? Then you've come to the right place. ASICS Dynablast running shoes are made for giving you a lightweight, responsive feel, with superior cushioning and shock absorption. These shoes are designed with a unique combination of flight foam and gel technology, which mean they're both lightweight and supportive. The flight foam cushioning is designed to provide superior energy return, so you can run comfortably and efficiently. Meanwhile, the gel technology is designed to absorb shock, so you can stay protected against the impact of running. The ASICS Dynablast running shoes also have other great design features such as a breathable mesh upper, an ortholite sock liner, and an AHA rubber outsole. The breathable mesh upper keeps your feet cool and dry, while the ortholite sock liner adds extra cushioning and comfort, and the AHA rubber outsole provides superior traction and durability, so you can run with confidence. So if you're looking for a lightweight and responsive running shoe. Number 3. Are you looking for a pair of trail running shoes that provide comfort, stability, and traction for your outdoor running needs? Look no further, because the SCARPA Rush Trail running shoes are here to help you take your runs to the next level. These shoes feature a lightweight and breathable upper made from mesh material, so your feet stay cool and comfortable no matter how long you run. The midsole cushioning provides shock absorption and support, while the Vibram outsole provides traction on any terrain, even the toughest trails. The SCARPA Rush Trail running shoes also feature an adjustable lacing system that provides a secure fit and maximum support. The sock fit construction wraps your foot in the shoe for an even more comfortable experience. Whether you're running on the road or on the trails, the SCARPA Rush Trail running shoes are the perfect choice for your running needs. With their lightweight design, breathable upper, and superior traction, they'll keep your feet comfortable and supported as you push your limits. Get your pair today and experience the difference that SCARPA Rush Trail running shoes make. These shoes are designed specifically for trail running and are sure to help you get the most out of your runs. The SCARPA Rush shoes provide superior comfort and support for your feet during every run, no matter the surface. The upper of the SCARPA Rush shoes are made with a breathable mesh material that helps keep your feet cool and comfortable. The reinforced ankle, collar and tongue work together to keep your feet secure in the shoes and give you the support and stability you need for any terrain. The SCARPA Rush shoes boast an exclusive Vibram sole that provides excellent grip and traction, so you can tackle any trail with confidence. Inside the shoe, you'll find a cushioning midsole that provides superior shock absorption and energy return. The midsole is also designed to provide excellent arch support and a secure fit, so you can go further and faster. Number 2. Introducing the Cloudultra all-terrain running shoes, the newest in running technology from On. These shoes are designed to take you from the pavement to the trails and back again with comfort, cushioning, and style. The Cloudultra features On's patented CloudTech cushioning system that absorbs shock and redirects energy back into your running stride. The shoes have a lightweight design and provide excellent traction for running on any surface. The upper is made of a breathable mesh that is lightweight, flexible, and durable. The Cloudultra is the perfect choice for runners who want to get the most out of their runs. The shoes provide a comfortable fit that is both supportive and responsive. The cushioning system helps reduce fatigue, and the mesh upper allows your feet to breathe while you run. The traction and grip of the shoe make it ideal for running on any surface and in any terrain. The On Cloudultra all-terrain running shoes are the perfect choice for the runner who wants a shoe that is comfortable, supportive, and durable. With the patented CloudTech cushioning system and the lightweight design, you'll be able to take on any terrain with confidence and style. Get ready. Number 1. Are you looking for a reliable and durable trail running shoe? Look no further than the Salomon men's Speedcross 5 trail running shoes. These shoes are designed to provide a comfortable and secure fit, keeping you from slipping and sliding over the uneven terrain of the trails. The Speedcross 5 shoes feature a lightweight construction and breathable mesh upper to provide a cool and comfortable fit. The ContaGrip sole is designed to be both durable and dependable on any terrain, with its combination of lugs and rubber that are designed to grip and provide traction. The combination of the Quickless system and SensiFit technology allows for easy on and off and a secure fit, without the need for tying laces. The Speedcross 5 shoes also feature an ortholite insole for additional cushioning and support, as well as an Aver midsole for extra shock absorption. Whether you're jogging on pavement or taking on a challenging trail, the Speedcross 5 shoes will provide the traction and comfort you need to stay on. Why? So what are you waiting for? Get the Salomon Men's Speedcross 5 trail running shoes today and take your trail running.